Here's a fresh script, different topic from the last few weeks' scripts, practical and standalone. How I use AI to turn a single idea into a complete project in under 5 minutes. You know that moment. You have a great idea, a new side project, a YouTube series, maybe a course. You open a fresh document. Stare at the blinking cursor. And 20 minutes later, you've written 3 bullet points that are just bad versions of the same sentence. Stop doing that. Here's the workflow that takes me from zero to a full project plan in 5 minutes using nothing but a chat window. And it works with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any decent model. Step 1. The dumbest possible first message. Most people write prompts like novelists. I'd like you to act as a world-class project manager with 20 years of experience. No. Just dump the raw idea. I want to build a newsletter about vintage camera repair. Target audience is hobbyists aged 30 to 50. That's it. The AI doesn't need a perfect prompt to start. It needs direction. Give it the mess, let it clean up. Step 2. The chain question. Here's the trick most people miss. After the AI spits out its initial plan, don't accept it. Push back. Say, that's a reasonable start. But I think you're being too generic. I need this to stand out. What's the one thing that makes this approach different from the 10 other camera repair newsletters already out there? This forces the AI past its default answer. The second pass is always better than the first because you've given it feedback. Treat it like a real assistant you're training, not a vending machine. Step 3. Give me the executable ask. Once the high-level plan is solid, say, now convert this entire plan into 3 files. 1. A 6-week content calendar in table format. 2. A homepage outline with 6 sections. 3. A list of the 5 things I need to do before I launch. Format the output so I can copy it straight into Notion. Why does this work? Because the AI has all the context from your conversation already. You don't need to re-explain anything. Your 1-minute idea conversation just became a complete project framework. I use this 3-step flow for almost everything now. Ideas I'd have let rot in a notebook get executed. The AI doesn't do the work, but it removes the friction between having the idea and running with it. And that friction, honestly, was the only thing stopping me. If you found that useful, hit subscribe. I put out one practical AI workflow like this every week. And if you've got a workflow that saves you time, drop it in the comments. I'm always looking for better ways to work. See you in the next one.